at the Alyn. Well, it's Sunday, the 11th, I believe. No, it's the 12th. The 12th of May, 2025. Well, 2024. Oh, what's the matter with me today? Rumbling. Wind in the willows. They have a lot of willow trees, not touched by idiot gardeners that don't know what they're doing. Anyone that wants to call themselves gardener should have a qualification before they start cutting things down. Oh, well, I mean, that's right, because, you know, idiots have to, with just backyards, think they've got mansions and they have to have gardeners now. It's just, you know, like window cleaners, for God's sake. Oh. Listen to that. All right, you're coming. Oh, well, now you're going to be on the video. Well, that's it. I'm doing it. I wanted to... There wasn't very loud thunders.
You can see the flash, though.
There we are. Oh, yeah, a little bit. It's not hugely impressive thunderstorm. Oh, Falcon. Oh, he's so... Anyway, it gets on my nerves. Right, I know. No, that's the trouble. Lead could knock everything over. Right, so I'm going to pay you. I'm going to turn this off now. Yeah, but you don't mind being on YouTube, do you?
No.
There you go. Right, well,